Thank you guys so much. Well, for me this evening, the clear winner of the debate was the People's National Party. I think Matthew Samuda was extremely strong, sturdy hand. He needed 2 other team members. They just didn't show up tonight. I think on style, rebuttal, presence, and all of the other matters that are supposed to come to a debate like this, the People's National Party, they brought it. I will do fact check on the issues, but in an age where there are so many bits of information that is told that is not true, you have to ensure that you go for the jugular, you're present and you're on the ball with the responses. And I think that really came for the JLP only from Matthew Samuda. He was 2 people short this evening. Join us again next Tuesday when we will have another post-debate analysis.